Hello and welcome back to another in-depth with the video. Today we're just gonna quickly go over what's going on here. We have severe thunderstorm warnings, severe thunderstorm watches, tornado warnings. We're just gonna go over what's happening here. So this should be a really quick video. But if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. So here's the radar. You can see we have a line of thunderstorms going from Texas through Oklahoma and into Arkansas. This is all part of that low pressure that was bringing snow to some areas of the Great Lakes region earlier this morning when I'm filming this, yesterday morning when you are seeing this. So we have this low pressure here is developing and it's going to be moving to the north and east as we usually see them. And on the side of this, of course, you have a cold front, and that is what's producing this. It's also producing these dense fog advisories here because you have a warm front on that side as well, and that's what's pushing through the Great Lakes right now. But, as I hinted a little bit earlier by misclicking, we do have slight and marginal risks for yesterday when you're seeing this. But some higher population areas in here, Tulsa, Norman, Broken Arrow, Midwest City, and Stillwater. And marginal, we have Dallas, Memphis, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, and Arlington, which are all major population centers. But day 2, this threat continues to move east into Indianapolis, Memphis, Nashville, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. Now, let's move on to day 3. This is where things kind of fizzle out and we get to general thunderstorms. So, that's all I wanted to look at today. There's a chance of severe thunderstorms throughout the South and the Midwest through the next couple of days. So, just be on the lookout. Make sure you're up to date with your National Weather Service local office. Make sure you get their alerts and be safe. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.